This is a dish you must try. Welcome to another non-JJ Cooks vlogs. Here's what I ate in a day. Vandaag gaan wij lekker eten. And eetmakelijk. So I started my breakfast strong by making a noodle soup with rice noodle and chicken broth that I prepared yesterday. And in my opinion, it's actually even more flavorful when you keep it for a day. Some chicken thigh bite-sized pieces and some egg for protein, and here I'm having my coffee. It is a iced caramel macchiato, and for those who know me, of course I had it with oat milk and it was delicious. Here I had it again, the popcorn salt and pepper fish, because it was so good. Dinner, I had another Indonesian staple called soto betawi. What really surprised me about the dish was that they used oxtail, and it was so good, it fell off the bone, it was flavorful, and it's smakelijk. Why it really surprised me is that usually they just use some like bite-sized pieces of meat, but this oxtail just was everything. And it's smakelijk. Vandaag gaan wij lekker eten. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment on this video, like my video, and of course, see you in my next one. Bye!